Hmm. If you're wondering why you're always broke, even after getting paid, let me be honest with you. It's probably not how much you earn, and I say that with love because I've been there. There was a time I was making money, good money. I would get paid, and by week 2, I'm already rationing food, borrowing airtime, and avoiding certain friends because they would ask me to hang out, and I couldn't just afford it. It didn't make sense, but I wasn't being reckless, or so I thought. But after reflecting, I realized something. It wasn't about income, it was about mindset and habits. So in this video, I'm going to share real habits that kept me broke, how I broke free from them, and the practical steps you can take starting from today. I used to reward myself after every payment. Nice clothes, food delivery, a random gadget I thought I needed. I felt good for a moment, but the regret it had every end of the month. Here's what I learned. Being broke often starts with feeling good now, instead of preparing for later. What I did instead, I started practicing 48 hours rule. If I saw something I wanted to buy, I waited 2 days. Most times, the impulse passed and I realized I don't even need it. If you don't know where your money is going, it will live quietly. I used to think budgeting is boring until I had a week I legit couldn't account for 25,000 naira. Like, where did it go? I couldn't even blame scammers. So what I did, I started using a simple money tracker on my phone, just writing down every expenses. Within 2 weeks, I saw patterns I never noticed. Little daily expenses adding up to huge monthly damages. If you are still watching this, it means you are serious about changing your money story. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and let's grow together. This channel is all about building real habits for life, career, and money. I used to feel uncomfortable talking about money, especially debt, so I just avoided it. But silence doesn't solve anything. Just let the interest grow. When I started being honest with myself and with people I found freedom. Clarity is better than anxiety. So here is the tip. Create a monthly financial check-in with yourself. Review what you owe, what you earn, and what you are working towards. Every small emergency become a crisis. A flat tire, a broken phone, even a family request, and a whole budget will crash. So here is the solution. I started small. 500 naira a week, then 1,000. Slowly, I built a safety net. Not having to borrow for every little thing. That peace is priceless. Comparison is a thief. I was trying to keep up with friends who earn double what I did or had different responsibilities. On social media, it doesn't help. Here is the lesson. Run your own race. Your money plan should be based on your reality, not anyone else's highlight reel. I used to scroll past content like this because it felt overwhelming. But the moment I got curious about money, watching videos, reading simple blogs, listening to money podcasts, everything started to change. Here's the tips. Just pick one small thing to learn about money each week. Compound knowledge is a thing too. Look, I'm not perfect. I still make some of these mistakes. But what matters is that we are aware and we are working on it. These money habits can either keep you poor or set you free. The truth is, the change starts small, but it starts with you. So tell me in the comments, which of these habits do you need to work on the most? I'll be in the comments. Let's talk it out. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time. Join this community. We are figuring out money, career, and life together. If this helped you, share it with a friend who needs to hear this too. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.